Hi everyone, Jack Fitzpatrick here. The Chromebook carts are out and ready to go with your teams, and I just wanted to share with you a little tip about how students can be assigned Chromebooks. In the past, they had to sign out on a sheet for whatever Chromebook they took. I don't know about you, but I couldn't stand this as a teacher. It drove me crazy. So what we're suggesting is creating a class list and have it hung in your room for each of your classes and give each kid a number. Now, this is how you can do this pretty easily. So go to your TAC, click on a class, and once you get to this class, up in the far right, you've got your settings. Click on settings and show hide columns. Hide all your columns. And now you've got this. You can leave it like that if you like, or you can go up here to your settings again and add an empty column if you like. Okay. And then the button right next to it is Generate Roster Report. And now you have this list. Print this list out, then number them so that it looks like this. And now every time Jolie comes to Miss Tolbert's class, she's number 2. If she's going to use a Chromebook, she's Chromebook number 2. Aaron is number 10. Now, each teacher needs to do this because Aaron may not be number 10 in math class. But that's okay. At least you'll know which Chromebook he's grabbing in which class so that if anything ever went wrong with it, we kind of have an idea. Now, the problem happens when you have more than 30 kids. Those extra kids, I'm not exactly sure what you would want to do with them. Perhaps you'd be flexible with that number because it's going to be coming off another cart, or maybe for the time being you give them cart 2 number 1, cart 2 number 2, so on and so forth. Just something, hopefully this makes your life a little easier, and you don't have to have the kids sign out each Chromebook every time they use it. Thank you.